It's that time at the end of the night when you're blind and you hold out your hand till it's mine. I'll walk you, guide dog to you. If I could, I would trade you my eyes, 'cause you should see you with the clearness of mine. I want to be your guide dog. How I describe you, you're not around. You should see for yourself. I'll find you, confident crowd. I'll be there myself. I want to be your guide dog. Please.